The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain the difference between a family limited partnership and a family LLC. These are two corporate mechanisms that are used to do basically two things. One is to protect an asset from estate tax, and the other is to protect an asset from creditors and essentially transfer that asset to the next generation of a family without estate tax or creditors becoming a problem. Now, one is better for estate tax, the other is better for creditors, and we'll explain why and how they work. So first, let's talk about what a family limited partnership is. In a family limited partnership, you have general partners and limited partners. The general partners make all the decisions and they have control of the corporation. The limited partners own a percentage of the corporation and have a right to profits upon the sale of the corporation, but they don't necessarily get any decision-making power. And a lot of times in family limited partnerships, there's no profit distribution throughout the life of the company. It's just if the assets are sold, the family limited partners are entitled to a percentage share of the sales proceeds. An LLC, on the other hand, has various members with equal rights as far as decision-making power. Now, in the context of a family LLC, parents will usually own 95% of the shares and have 5% owned by the children, so there's no real decision-making power held by the children. But in theory, in an LLC, everybody is equal based on their percentage ownership of the company, whereas in a limited partnership, general partners have decision-making power, limited partners don't. Now, the problem with that for a general partnership is that in a general partnership, the general partners are also liable for corporate debt personally. In an LLC, the members, whether they're managing the company or not, are not liable for corporate debt personally. Another difference is that a family limited partnership has certain estate tax benefits that an LLC doesn't. So we have a lot of articles and videos about estate tax and how that works. But the bottom line is you may get some favorable estate tax treatment by transferring an asset through a limited partnership to the next generation as opposed to through an LLC. So typically what we get is if we want to protect an asset like real estate or a business from the parent's creditors, then what you'll do is you put it in a family LLC, and the creditors don't have the ability to force the sale of the asset to pay the debt. What they can do is something called a charging order, where any income from the asset, whether it's a business or rent from real estate, has to be paid to creditors first before being distributed to shareholders. But there's still some level of protection where the family home can't be taken by creditors, and you can ensure that it passes to the next generation, or the family business is protected from creditors. Another reason to do this is just general succession from one generation of the family to the next if the kids are actually involved in managing the business and adults and active. So that's kind of two scenarios. One is just kind of locking it up for their inheritance. The other is an active succession. The reason you would do a family limited partnership rather than an LLC is if your main concern isn't protection from creditors, but rather it is minimizing estate tax, and then you might do a family limited partnership and take the chance, understanding that the general partners have some liability for corporate debts. You would use the family limited partnership in order to get the maximum estate tax minimizing benefit and transfer that asset potentially free and clear of estate tax to the next generation. Now, one strategy people use is to combine the two and have one owned by the shares of one owned by the other, a LLC being the general partner in a family limited partnership. And that way you get the benefit of both, the estate tax benefit of the family limited partnership and the creditor protection benefit of the LLC. So if you have any questions, you can leave them below this post at learn-about-law.com or below our YouTube video on our YouTube station. If you found this interesting and you want to be notified of the topics of our future posts, which we do daily, we do an article and a new video daily, you can subscribe to us at YouTube, iTunes, or SoundCloud. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.